was burning this year. I mean, it was the hottest summer. And then suddenly it started raining cats and dogs. Such erratic weather, this has never happened in Delhi.
And don't forget, it's not only Delhi. It's happening all over the world. You know, cities like London and Paris, they are facing situations like drought and heat waves. I mean, it's unbelievable.
In fact, I read that July 2024 was the hottest month ever in history. These are crazy times.
So global warming is not just a theoretical concept confined to books. It is actually happening in front of us. We are living it.
It's true, we're living it, but sometimes I wonder, we as a generation, do we have an answer for the next generation? Do we have anything for them?
We both know one. We have an answer.
Really?
Yeah, it's the International Value Education Olympiad.
Oh yeah, the International Value Education Olympiad. Let's talk more about it.
Well, it's basically an Olympiad for students of class 5 to 12, like a math or science Olympiad. This Olympiad teaches and tests values that can make a real impact to the environment.
I've heard that IVEO is one of its kind initiative between some big players. It's an initiative by ISKCON, by the United Nations Environment Program Faith for Earth Initiative, and the Ministry for Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It's really big.
It's in its 6th edition this year, and it has already touched lives of millions of young minds. This program pushes the students to think about the environmental issues and come up with a practical solution.
Yeah, I remember seeing some of their projects and they're just brilliant. I mean, the initiatives and the ideas to tackle climate change, they're amazing. It doesn't feel like it's coming from school students.
IVU has been all over the news. It was part of COP28 UAE. It has presented its research paper at Oxford University. It was showcased at World Hindu Conference in Bangkok 2023. And not only that, it was also part of India's G20 Asia.
And this year, IVEO is going to be even bigger. They say it's going to be all about more learnings, more impact, more competitive, and of course, more prizes for the kids.
So, if you're a student of class 5 to 12, here's your chance to become an ambassador of climate change. Get involved in IVU 2024 and make a real difference.
Or if you're a parent, you've got to be part of IVEO 2024. You have to know how this program can bring alive the compassionate edge in your kid.
Hop onto their website and know all about their examination, prizes, study material, registration process, and all things climate change.
So let's do it. It's time to change climate change.